Are you preparing for the CCSP exam? Testing your understanding of data protection regulations is essential, especially the GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation, which has a global impact on data privacy. A company in the EU processes both PII and PHI through a cloud provider. Their legal team wants to ensure GDPR compliance and assess any extra requirements for PHI. Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. PHI has stricter international data transfer laws. B. GDPR does not regulate PHI. C. PHI is a special category of data with stricter controls. D. PII and PHI are regulated the same. The correct answer is C. Under GDPR, protected health information is classified as a special category of data, which triggers stricter processing controls than regular personally identifiable information. To clarify, GDPR absolutely does regulate PHI, making B wrong. While international transfers have rules, this isn't the primary distinction for PHI. So A is incorrect, and D is false, because the regulations for PHI are notably more stringent. Question number 2. A multinational organization needs to ensure its cloud services meet privacy requirements for PII and PHI. They are seeking guidance on international privacy standards. Which of the following standards would best help the company ensure its cloud services meet privacy requirements for PII? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. Generally Accepted Privacy Principles, GAP. B. ISO IEC 2718. C. General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. D. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. The correct answer is A. The Generally Accepted Privacy Principles, or GAP. GAP provides a comprehensive, internationally recognized framework specifically for managing and protecting PII across different jurisdictions. Here's why the others are not the best fit. ISO 2718 is important, but is more specific to cloud providers. GDPR is a binding regulation, but it's region-specific to the EU. And PCI DSS is focused solely on payment card data, not general PII. Question number 3. A healthcare provider is migrating its patient data to the cloud and needs to ensure it complies with regulations designed to protect this health information. Which regulation are they most likely concerned with? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. The Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS. B. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. C. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. D. Sarbanes-Oxley, or SOX. The correct answer is C. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA. This U.S. regulation is specifically designed to protect the privacy and security of patient health information. Here's a quick review. PCI DSS is for credit card data, not health records. GDPR is a broad privacy law for Europe, and SOX governs financial reporting and corporate accountability, not healthcare data. For more scenario-based questions and a personalized practice app to help you pass your exam, visit www.sectutor.com.